Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.
How to download and install iOS 13 Beta 1 via 3uTools on Windows. After iOS 13 Beta 1 was introduced by Apple to developers, there were also many installation instructions on the iPhone iPad for users. The simplest way to update iOS 13 Beta 1 is to use a Mac computer, but not everyone has a Mac to upgrade. With Windows version, there are some ways but quite complex. If you are not experienced in the restore, it is still recommended not to try. This video will show you how the easiest way is to update iOS 13 Beta 1 via 3uTools application. Although it is quite simple to perform iOS 13 Beta 1 upgrade via 3uTools application, it can generate errors during the installation process. Before upgrading, you should also consider carefully. Note: for safety, before upgrading, you should back up data on a device using iTunes or 3uTools. Turn off device password. Exit Apple ID iCloud. Update iTunes to the latest version. Update the latest 3uTools version. The update process may result in an error loss of data when upgrading. The device's memory is larger than 4.2 GB. The upgrade of iOS 13 Beta 1 will have some errors when using. Implementation steps. Step 1. Connect the device to 3uTools. Check if 3uTools has updated to the latest version. If not, then update immediately.
There's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna.
Step 2. After updating, open 3uTools, switch to Flash and JB tab. Click Download in Section 13 Beta to download IPSW to your computer. This process may take a while because the download file is not on the Apple server. Step 3. After downloading, press the Flash button to proceed to upgrade to iOS 13 Beta version. Note that during the upgrade process, keep the device and computer stable. Good luck!
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it rain. Tonight, we're gonna let it rain. Tonight, we're gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
If you feel the video content useful, please click the subscribe, like, share buttons to support us.